Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and these weird things are toe separators. I had never heard of toe separators until recently, and I gotta tell you, they're pretty cool, and they're really helpful for different foot problems. These are toe separators or metatarsal pads. This is from the Pnrskter store, and they are gel, and they're soft, and they're super breathable. As you can see, the gel helps it be stretchy, and so it fits right over your toes, and all the holes help it to be breathable. This is something, I've recently had a leg injury, and then throughout my leg injury we also have noticed that my feet and my toes bend inward. And they're not supposed to do that, apparently. So they told me about if you get some toe separators, it helps separate your toes so that my big toe isn't leaning in so much. So it's going to be a work in progress, but I just wear these for maybe like 20 minutes a day, and they're very comfortable because I like that it goes actually around the top of your foot. I don't know why, for me it actually makes it easier to put on. I tried some other ones, and it makes it easier for me to slip it on all of my toes, and as you see, each one is just a little bit separated to help give your foot back to the normal structure that it's supposed to be in. These toe separators are gonna just help fix some of your problems, and when you're fixing problems, you want them to be painless and easy, and you can't get more easier than just slipping these on. And that's my point of view.